Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the Object and pressing Tab to enter Edit mode. This gets you right into geometry control. Once in, switch to Edge Select so you target edges directly and enable X-ray if hidden topology matters. You should identify the edge loop you want to slide, then use the knife or loop cut briefly if you need extra topology. These are preparatory but essential. Make sure to save a quick duplicate or incremental file before making larger topology edits. You select the edges to move and press G twice to trigger edge slide. This mode preserves loop flow while relocating edges along adjacent faces. Once active, drag and observe how the edge follows surface topology. Use Control to snap to increments or Shift to refine movement for precision. If the slide flips or crosses poles, undo and pick an adjacent edge loop instead. Remember why. Edge slide maintains face shapes and minimizes distortion compared with free vertex. You finalize the slide with Enter or a left click, and then immediately inspect shading and face normals to ensure nothing warped. Once done, use Smooth or Merge by distance to clean tiny gaps and recalculate normals if faces shade incorrectly. If the loop causes pinching or non-manifold geometry, undo and revert to your saved duplicate, then try sliding a neighboring edge or adding a supporting loop. This fixes distorted topology without losing progress. One tip, turn on overlays to spot hidden issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.